Enable multi-currency module. After you activate the multi-currency module, you can enable the multi-currency module. Go to Company, change Company Settings, select multi-currency. From this screen, you can enable your multi-currency module. First, we need to enable the multi-currency module and we have to select the home currency. After you set the home currency, you cannot change the home currency. Therefore, before you select the home currency, please check carefully. By checking this checkbox, you can enable multi-currency module and you can select the home currency. After that, you can save. Now you have enabled the multi-currency module. You can add other currencies. By clicking Add Currency, you can add other currencies. You can select currencies from this drop-down menu and you can add currency. By clicking this Add Currency button, you can add currencies. After you add the currency, you can view the exchange rate. It will update automatically. If you want to change the exchange rate, by clicking Edit button, you can change the exchange rate. You can select New Custom Exchange Rate and you can change the exchange rate. From this screen, you can view home currency and other foreign currencies. You can view daily exchange rates, you can view currency code, currency name, exchange rate, symbol and comments from this screen. If you want to remove any currency, by clicking this red color button, you can remove the foreign currency.